Amazon kitchen gadgets you just might need.
We check them out so you don't have to.
If you love hands-off, simple and quick meals, this little egg cooker is it. Fill the measuring cup to the line you want, soft, medium, or hard. Poke the shell with the built-in pin. Set up to 6 eggs in the tray and press the button. That's it. The steam cooks the eggs. The ready buzzer lets you know when they're done, and the auto shutoff handles the rest. Poaching and omelet trays are included and use the same one-button routine. Cleanup's quick and easy as well, and the whole unit is compact so it stores well. No guesswork, no watching the stove. It's perfect.
Kitchen gadgets you just might need.
We check them out so you don't have to.
One of those why didn't I have this sooner kitchen gadgets. It's a 2-in-1 food scissors with built-in cutting board so you can snip tomatoes, cucumbers, fruits, and veggies right over the bowl or pan. No messy cutting board to deal with. Use it for quick chops. It has a safety lock for storage, a comfy grip, and it's dishwasher safe, so easy cleanup. Perfect for faster prep when you're cooking on the fly.
Amazon products you just might need.
We check them out so you don't have to.
If you bake muffins or egg bites, these silicone muffin pans are awesome. The cups are non-stick, so everything pops out with a quick push. No spray needed. The metal frame keeps it sturdy so it won't flop around like flimsy silicone. It's food grade, non-toxic, and easy to clean. Just rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Muffins, cupcakes, egg bites, it does it all. We've linked it on our page at daveandsissy.com.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run.
Amazon Kitchen must-have. Avoid shaking your condiments and get every last drop with these bottle attachments. They come in a pack of 6 and will fit 90% of common plastic bottles and will allow it to easily store upside down for effortless dispensing.
Amazon car finds you actually need. Number 1 is my screen cleaning ball that has 2 special sides. This side gets rid of all the smudges, and then this one makes it all shiny. It works so well and can also dust anywhere around the car. Number 2 is my panoramic rear view mirror that will extend your view by 173%. Will fit on essentially any rear view mirror and also allows me to see my blind spots. Number 3 is my seat gap filler that you can put around your seatbelt, and then you just have to stuff this thing into the crevice between your middle seat and center console. It works so well that you'll literally never have to try and dig your phone or keys out from under the seat ever again. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
2 kitchen favorites for saving space. If you love making themed waffles for different holidays but don't want to store all the waffle makers, grab this one that comes with interchangeable plates. They're easy to switch in and out and actually makes cleaning it so much easier. And this charcuterie board can be a long cylinder, a beautiful square checkerboard, or even a heart that you can use later this week. These are fun ways to stay festive without wasting a bunch of cabinet space.
Oh my god! Isn't it great?
My baby is 3 months old, and it's my husband and I's first date night out. We're going to lunch at 1:15. This is what I'm wearing. I'm very excited. This top is the perfect, the ultimate girls night out, dinner, date night top. Love it. Got this little look for less bag. So cute. It also comes with a crossbody strap, so it's really great for travel. I took it to New York last week. Levi's, I think these are the 94 baggy. And then just a pair of pointed toe heels. These cute earrings. I love these, but very excited. Mom was going out. We had a babysitter, my sister.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.
10 things you need from Amazon this month. This outlet charger for your toothbrush. It gets rid of clutter on the counter. This charger for your devices. It keeps them organized and all in one place. These cable holders, because I hate it when the cable falls behind the table. Dish pod holder, which easily attaches to any cupboard door. I've said this before, but if you love puzzles, you need a puzzle board. This garbage bag holder. This is another fave that attaches easily to your cupboard under the sink. Fabric shaver to get rid of all those annoying little fluff balls on your clothes. Leg covers, which fit on almost any chair leg and they won't fall off. The viral money box, which will help you save $10,000 this year. And my favorite closet organizer. It's perfect for jeans and sweaters.
Genius Amazon finds you actually need. I wake up in the mornings and my face feels swollen and puffy, so when I saw that you can buy that thing that boxers use, I figured I should try it out. You just stick it in the freezer and then take it out when you need it. Just swipe your face a couple times with the cooling stick, and then use the bar to minimize the puffiness and get the swelling to go down. I didn't really know what to expect, but I felt more energy instantly, and now I feel alive, awake, and great. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
This is a a smart toaster where you can cook 2 pieces of toast at once, but at different settings. So you can easily customize the toastiness that you want for each individual slice, or you can also use the slider bar to manually adjust. Then you click start and it will cook the perfect piece of toast to your liking at the same time. I think it's so cool.
Vase Buddy is the ultimate tumbler. Small, medium, or large drinks, yep, it fits them all. Whether it's your morning Starbucks, an afternoon Dunkin' Run, or a Sonic happy hour, the Frost Buddy keeps it ice cold and doesn't let your drink get watered down. Have your kids swimming like a fish in no time with this mask. It comes in a ton of different sizes and colors and was truly a game changer for the summer. Mosquito itch relief patches instantly calm the itch and help the bug bites heal faster. No mess, no scratching, just peel, stick, and forget about the bite.
Amazon for the win part, $4.58.
I found the sweetest Post-it notes that I can use for my son's lunch. They come in 6 different styles with prompts so you can easily fill them out. Because they're Post-it, they have a sticky back already, which makes it really easy to attach to the lunchbox. I love that this allows him to take a piece of home with him at school, and it brightens his day.
5 Amazon kitchen finds you might actually need. Number 1 is this electric ice cream scooper that you just have to pick up and it'll automatically sense that it's been chosen and then heat up to 158 degrees. So I got out some old ice cream that we've had since November, waited a couple seconds, and couldn't believe how fast it cut through this old frozen ice cream. So smooth, and I think it'll prevent ice cream launches as well. Number 2 is this measuring cup that can be used to measure dry and liquid ingredients and has all the measurements you would ever need. Number 3 is this garlic press that presses all the garlic out and then also has an ejector for the peel that's really fun to use. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
The perfect Easter basket finds. First up is this cube that feels like slime, but it's mess-free. I promise you'll love this one as well. This Lego coffee mug's been an absolute favorite for both of my boys. And this super safe cutting tool that's great for little ones or anyone with low grip strength. This sells out every year. This rechargeable microscope that takes photos of anything they're looking at. This has been great for all of my kids. Every kid loves squishies, and this chick is a great one for Easter. And if you've got any dancers in your house, this pencil pouch that looks like a ballet shoe is absolutely adorable. These squishy cubes that work like Legos, they all have different things inside of them as well. Lego markers are an absolute favorite in our house. And if you've got a little one that likes jewelry, this toddler-friendly bracelet maker is absolutely adorable. The beads are super easy to pop on. Click markers are a game changer so you're not losing lids. And this keychain hair tie holder is great for any little girls. If anyone in your house likes magnetiles, these car bases are super fun. And we also love these magnetic road pieces. This is a great way to add to a toy that they already love. This scissor set that comes with interchangeable teeth. This takes up no room to store but gives them plenty to pick from. Tic-tac-toe where they can play against each other or the machine. And this push peel pad's been one of my kids' favorite quiet activities. Throw this in your purse and use it anytime you need it. Honestly, I even love it myself. These sticky note doodle boards. These are super thin like a piece of paper and even magnetic, and when you're done, push the button and it's completely erased. This push button light bright, this is absolutely one of our favorite toys. It's great for on the go because you're not losing pieces. If you've got Nintendo Switch lovers, this is a great way to store all those game cards, stamps that turn any paper into a card track, and these keychain doodle boards. Enjoy!
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out.
Amazon parenting hack. If you're potty training your toddler, this seat has a double-sided adhesive tape that easily attaches to your toilet. It can be simply flipped up and out of the way so adults can use the toilet during the training process, plus it takes up no space in your bathroom unlike traditional toddler potties.
show you how I made these memory boxes for my kids using some amazing Amazon finds. First, I grabbed these heavy-duty plastic file boxes with hanging rails. These had amazing reviews and feature locking lids, which I preferred over snap-on ones. Next, I picked up 2 different colors of hanging folders, one for each kid, so everything stays neatly organized. I used this label maker to create custom labels, organizing everything from pregnancy through college, plus a few extra categories for special moments. To personalize each box, I added their names using vinyl letters, and to make sure I actually print and save photos instead of letting them sit on my phone forever, I got this 4x6 photo printer. It's so easy to use and the print quality is seriously impressive. This has to be one of my favorite DIY projects for my kids, and it's helped so much with reducing clutter while keeping their important milestones beautifully organized.
Amazon summer must-have. Put an end to your sunburns with this Aloe Sunburn Relief Wrap. Just put the wrap on your skin and it soothes the sunburn with no sticky mess. It's infused with aloe vera, green tea, and vitamin E.